Hey, 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 green inky people. I haven't picked a new intro. That's what I've got, but hi. Groon here. So, I hear there is a Christmas in July coloring tag. And this is the book I'm going to work in for Christmas in July. Tagged some of the pages that I'm interested in, and we're going to see how many I get through. So this is coloring and color by number and dot to dots. It's got a little bit of everything. Color by number, adult coloring, book of winter birds, happy winter. Nothing on the spine here. Birdie on the back. This is an Amazon book from last year. Okay, so let's go to the first tag here. I looked through the color by numbers and tried to find ones that looked Christmassy. This one looks like it has a couple of stockings hung by the fire with care. I also looked for cardinal, so if I can figure out which one of these is a cardinal, I'll probably do that too, because that's very much a winter / Christmas / Yule type birdie for me. So these are bonus dot to dots, or connect the dots. That's how I've always known them. This one looks like a piece of holly and some berries. Candy cane, I'm guessing. Packages tied up with string. Snowman. This is a birdlet. Then we have some line drawing coloring. We have a snowman, snow person. We have a Santa. Some candles. A winter wonderland with a house and a smoking chimney. Snow scene. And the cold chilly girl. How many scars does she have on? That was hilarious. But, so, this is the book I'm going to be working on for Christmas in July. Christmas in July. You like the quotes? Air quotes. And I don't know if I'm going to dedicate, should I commit to using one set of pencils in this book? That's an idea. I don't think I'm going to, though, because I want to use all the stuff all the time. Anyway, this is going to be my primary Christmas in July book. I do have some PDF printables that I might bring out as well. Other than that, be happy, be healthy, learn something new every day. This is me signing off. Ciao for now.